this video because the white car you see in front, see how he was trying to get in front of me, thinking that there was a little space, just a little. It wasn't even significant. The truck was ahead of the other car, just slightly, very slightly. And this guy was like riding between the two lanes. Ridiculous. Again. And where did he end up going? To the left lane. See, these are the type of folks that tie up the traffic and cause accidents to occur, because you're just simply weaving in and out of traffic. And I'm sure you have I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt. You're late. Well, you should have left earlier, number one. And number two, this weaving in and out, especially with the right lane, it's just ignorant. You see, look at these guys. Look at what they do. Oh, somebody got in front of me. I gotta go around. I gotta go around because I gotta get to the job before anyone else. And probably the guy doesn't even work. It's just silly. You guys are running around like your butt's on fire, and for no reason. Simply, if you're that much in a rush, get out earlier and ride easy. Right now, I have to be at a certain location at 10:45. It is now 9:38. My GPS tells me I'm going to get there at 10:12. See that? 10:12. I don't have to be there till 10:45, but right now, at the rate I'm going, I'll get there at 10:12. Is that early or what? Of course it is. I give myself enough time, so I don't have to go running around like my butt's on fire on the highway, putting my own life and other people's lives at risk. Simply get out earlier. Take it easy. Live your life and let others live. Take care.